Rabbi, I'm too busy. I'm too busy making a living. But why are you making a living? I'm making a living in order to support my family, in order to send my kids to the best schools, in order to be able to satisfy all the needs of the household, my wife, etc. But you're not spending any time with your wife or your kids. Is this the type of life you want for the rest of your life? My friends, if you want to start living your life, there is one extraordinary gift that God gave us, and it's called Shabbat. Shabbat is not a prison. Shabbat is a liberation of your cell phones, of your work, of your communication with the outside, in order to be able to bond and look at one another, knowing that there's nobody in the world which can reach out to you. This is the time where you can connect to your inner peace and start enjoying life. So next time you want a vacation, take a vacation in a special island called Shabbat. And for 25 hours, enjoy yourself, your family, and your very special connection to God.